Hey everyone, need to change your Capatch card PIN? Good news, you can do it right from the Capatch mobile app. No branch visit, no waiting in lines. As of June 2025, the app is the fastest and most reliable way to update or reset your PIN securely. Start by opening the Capatch app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon usually shown as three lines or dots in the top corner. From there, go into Settings and select Update Card PIN or Remote PIN. If you remember your current PIN, enter it to verify your identity, then create a new PIN that's 5 to 6 digits long. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm it, and tap Update. You'll get an on-screen confirmation once the change is successful. If you've forgotten your PIN, don't worry. The app also includes a Forgot PIN or Reset PIN option that lets you set a new one after identity verification again, without visiting a branch. Just remember, your PIN is highly sensitive information. Keep it private, never share it, and update it periodically to stay secure.